Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can add a virtual background on Zoom. So go to the new meeting section, and to add in a background, you are going to basically just join a meeting, go to video here and select this arrow going up. Go to adjust background and effects, and you can select the background of your choice. You can even remove some of the pictures that you have on here. You can also upload videos. If you want to upload more, go to virtual background, select the plus button, either add image or add videos. Then you are just going to select the image that you want for the background, and that's pretty much it. Super simple. If you have a green screen, enable this. It will help a lot for the app to remove the background easily. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you find this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.